world history students, Time Machine Teacher here to help you with all your world history needs. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure and do so and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. Since we are currently shut down, I will begin doing lives tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central, and those will cover topics from World War II and on, depending on how long we are shut down, because the learning must continue. As far as we know, the AP exam is still on. So you need to continue to prepare. That way, when we do go back, your teachers can go quickly over the material and we can start to review. So that being said, make sure, hit those notifications because we'd love to have you join us on the live. All right, so let's get started today. Today we're going to be talking about the Holocaust. I have made for you Holocaust stations. They are down below in the comments, so make sure and download that worksheet so that you can follow along and be able to fill those answers in as you're looking through the different exhibits from the U.S. Holocaust Museum, and there are a couple of others as well. All of the links that we will be looking at today are on that worksheet that's down below in the comments, so you'll definitely need that in order to be able to do this assignment. Please keep in mind that the Holocaust is a very delicate topic. You will be looking at things today that are going to be shocking and may be news to you as far as what the Nazis did during the Holocaust. So please keep that in mind as you are looking at the topics today. Also, most of this information that you're going to be looking at is from the U.S. Holocaust Museum. If you ever get a chance to go there in person, it's in Washington, D.C., and it is one of the most amazing museums that I've ever been to. It serves as a memorial as well. And if you're here in Houston, definitely go check out the Houston Holocaust Museum. They recently redid it, and it's amazing. However, don't go right now. Wait until all of this craziness with the virus is over. So without further ado, let's get started on your assignment. Okay, once you click on that link below, what you're going to want to do is go up here to File and make a copy. This will make a copy of this document for you to be able to use, and that way you won't be changing the original document. Once you make that copy, you can add your answers in where you see below the questions. Here are the links. So the first one is talking about propaganda and how Hitler uses propaganda to get people to follow him. So what you're going to want to do is click on this link here, and it will take you to the Nazi propaganda and censorship page at the Holocaust Museum. And you need to answer these specific questions. So this question says, how did Nazi propaganda play a part in bystander tolerance of Jewish persecution? So you're going to read through this here to find your answer. And then when you go back, you'll see this link will help you with all of these questions here. This one will continue with the online propaganda exhibit. Then you have a link for Indoctrinating the Youth. This one you're going to need to enable Flash on your computer. It does have a non-Flash option, but if you have Flash on your computer, definitely do it because it's a little bit more impressive. Let me show you what it looks like with Flash. So there you go. That opens up the exhibit, and then here it talks about on page 2 of the theme, click on the interactive slideshow about indoctrination. Down here on the very bottom, it's almost cut off, but down here are the different pages, so that's how you can skip to page 2. And the image slideshow is right here, so just click on that and it will take you through this in order to be able to answer these questions on this chart. After that, you will go to Station 2, which is about bystanders, and you will click on this link, which will take you to the bystanders exhibit. This also takes Flash, but you can not have it if you don't have Flash as well, okay? And then here you will click through and read through this information. There are some videos as well to be able to answer these questions. Station 3 is the history of the Kovno ghetto in Lithuania. So you will click on that in order to go through. Here's your menu here, and the directions tell you which part of the menu you need to be on in order to answer those questions. Station 4 is the Holocaust ID cards. What you're going to do is look through these ID cards and choose which one you want to read about a victim/survivor of the Holocaust. Once you do that, you'll answer these questions here. And your last station is about heroes of the Holocaust. You'll click on the website here from the History Channel, and you will choose one of these heroes to read about. You'll notice that their full story is underneath the picture, so make sure that you're reading their full story, because this will not be enough information in order to answer the question on your worksheet. And that sums up this assignment. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, but it should be pretty self-explanatory. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget about the lives coming up tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central. And if those times aren't good for you, don't worry, I will be posting those later. The nice thing about the live, though, is that you can ask questions and make comments. So I would definitely love to have you on the live if possible. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day.